Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of Digital Fundamentals. Today we will explore binary arithmetic operation. Binary arithmetic operations, that is binary addition. This binary addition by a carrying method, or say binary addition with carry, is easy to implement in a digital computers. So we can easily perform binary additions in a digital computers. And we have a next binary subtraction, but this binary subtraction is quite difficult, as we have to take borrow and then it can be returnable to the next level. So it is quite complex, so we can't perform binary subtraction easily in the digital computer. So what we can do, so we have a much more efficient method for subtraction. So we can perform subtraction using complements. Here this subtraction using complement is a much more efficient method for a subtraction of these two numbers. Why? Because use of complements make a subtraction into the addition. If we use complement, then we can convert this subtraction into addition. How? If you consider a minus b, then a minus b is written like a plus minus b. In a digital, this minus b is equivalent to b bar. That means actually we perform a plus b bar. That means using complement method we convert subtraction into addition. And as we know that addition in a digital computer is quite easy, so this subtraction using complements is much more efficient method. So let's discuss about first how we can calculate complements. So here we have a complements for base R system, that means for a decimal base 10, for binary base 2. How can be calculated this complement? So here we have a two types of complement, that is first R's complement, and this can be calculated by r raised to n minus n. In this small n, this n represented a number of digit and this capital N is represents our number. So whenever we want to calculate complements, then it can be calculated, or says R's complement can be defined as r raised to n minus n for any given number n. Then we have another complement, r minus 1's complement. This r minus 1's complement can be defined as r raised to n minus 1 minus n. So this is how we can calculate complements. Here we have a basically decimal number and binary number. For decimal number we have a r's complement, that means 10's complement, and r minus 1's complement, that means 9's complement. So in decimal number we have a 10's complement and 9's complement. In a binary we have a 2's complement and 1's complement. So we can perform subtraction using this 2's complement or 1's complement, or using 10's complement, or using 9's complement. How we can calculate 10's complement, 9's complement, 2's complement and 1's complement? So let's discuss one by one. We have a first 9's complement. So to calculate 9's complement, we have to subtract all the digits of any decimal number from the 9. All the digits are subtracted by 9. Here we have one example, 9's complement of 5 to 4. So how we can calculate this? So subtract all the digits of 5 to 4 from 9. So here 9 minus 4 we have a 5. then 9 minus 2 we have a 7, then 9 minus 5 we have a 4. So this is 4, 7, 5 is a 9's complement of 5, 2, 4. So this is how we can calculate 9's complement. Let's take another example how we can perform 9's complement. So here we have an example 603198. So for this again subtract this number from the 999. Whenever we have a digits, we have to subtract all the digits from the 9. So 9 minus 8 we have a 1, then 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 1 we have a 8, 9 minus 3 we have a 6, then 9 minus 5, then 9 minus 0 we have a 9, 9 minus 6 we have a 3. So this is how we can calculate 9's complement of this number, which is 396801. So this is how we can calculate 9's complement. Now let's discuss about 10's complement. So how we can calculate 10's complement? So 10's complement is equivalent to 9's complement plus 1. So 10's complement can be calculated by adding 1 to the 9's complement. So 10's complement is equivalent to 9's complement plus 1. So this is how we can calculate 10's complement. So let's take an example how we can do this. So 10's complement of 5 to 4 is 475. How? So first calculate 9's complement. So here we have a 9's complement. So subtract this and add plus 1. So here we perform this. So we have a 6, 7 and 4, or just simply previously we calculated 9's complement 475, just add 1, so it is equivalent to 476. So this is how we can calculate 10's complement. Now let's take another example how we can calculate 10's complement of this number. So simply subtract from the 9 and add 1, so we have a 10's complement of this number. So this is how we can perform subtraction from the 9 and add for the 10's complement. So this is how we can calculate our 10's complement. Now let's calculate 2's complement or 1's complement. So first we have a 1's complement. So 1's complement can be calculated by just replacing zeros and ones. 1's complement is just by calculating or says by replacing zeros and ones. So let's take an example. We have this binary bits 1's complement of 101 100. So here we have our binary pattern written like this. We have to just replace all zeros and ones. So here we have a first 0, so 0 replaced by 1, again 0 replaced by 1, 1, so interchanged with 0, 1, so interchanged with 0, 0 interchanged with 1 and 1 is interchanged with 0. So this is how we calculate 1's complement, just by replacing all the zeros with 1 and all the ones with 0. Here we have a one other example, 1's complement of this binary pattern. So how we can calculate? So write bits like this and then replace all the zeros and ones. So this is how we can simply replace all the bits and write our 1's complement. So this is how we can calculate 1's complement of any binary pattern. Now let's calculate 2's complement. How we can calculate 2's complement? So 2's complement can be easily calculating by 1's complement and then add 1. So 2's complement is equivalent to 1's complement plus 1. So 2 is equivalent to 1's plus 1. Just add 1 to the 1's complement, and 1's complement is calculated by just replacing all the zeros and ones. So here we have a one example for 2's complement. 2's complement of 101,100 is calculated like this. Here we have this binary pattern 101,100. Replace all the ones and zeros. So here 1 1 0 0 1 0, and now add to this bits. So we have our 2's complement 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1, and then 0 1 0. So this is how we calculate 2's complement by adding 1 to the 1's complement. Now let's take another example how we can calculate 2's complement for this binary number. So here we have our binary number like this. Replace this binary patterns with zeros and ones like this, then by add 1 to the 1's complement. So this is how we can calculate 2's complement. Remember, here we perform binary addition for the addition of this 1. Here we first write a interchange of zeros and 1, then add 1 over here and perform binary addition. 0 plus 1 we have a 1, then 1, then 0, then 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. So this is how we can calculate 2's complement. So in this session we discussed about binary addition, binary subtraction, and then subtraction is quite difficult. So these subtractions can be calculated by complements. So here we discussed about our complements method. 1's complement, 2's complement, 10's complement, and 9's complement. How we can perform subtraction using these complements, this can be discussed in a next session. Thank you.